Do you wear earbuds during workouts? Fitness earbuds are major contributors to earwax buildup and blocked ears. At Hearing First East Finchley, our audiologists provide professional microsuction earwax removal to safely restore hearing clarity. During workouts, sweat and earbud use can compact wax deeper, leading to blocked ears and muffled hearing. We use microsuction technology to gently remove excess wax using controlled medical suction, avoiding the risks of traditional ear syringing. This method allows for precise treatment under direct observation and is ideal for patients with sensitive ears or recurring buildup. Conveniently located inside Cootes Pharmacy in East Finchley, our clinic offers trusted hearing care for patients across North London. Many patients notice immediate improvement after treatment, clearer sound, reduced pressure, and improved hearing comfort. If your ears feel blocked, professional treatment could help. Book your appointment with Hearing First East Finchley today.